Good morning. Happy Monday. Successful Wear LLC. If you're not on this channel and if you're new to this video and channel, hit the subscribe button on this video. Good morning. My name is Alyssa Costin. I'm CEO and part owner of Successful Wear LLC. A small e-commerce online business, guys, that specializes in customizing and printing of all occasions and for all occasions. And I just wanted to come to you guys and do this morning vlog for anybody who's interested in any of our services or any of our merchandise or interested in what we do. Please feel free to watch us on YouTube at Successful Wear LLC. Yes, that is Successful Wear LLC on YouTube, guys. Or you can also watch us on TikTok at Successful Wear LLC on TikTok, and on Instagram. You guys can follow us as well. Successful Wear LLC on Instagram, guys. We have several platforms, and please make sure that if you are not subscribed to any of those platforms, take the chance out and take a few minutes out and get subscribed. Follow us over there, guys. Again, we specialize in customizing of all occasions. We specialize in printing of all occasions, and we can be also found, you can find our website at www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. Yes, once again, that is www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. You can look us up and you will be able to purchase anything off our website, make orders, special customizing orders, and we will fulfill those orders. If you make orders before 5 p.m. Eastern time, we will ship orders out same day, guys. We have a very fast and efficient priority shipping service, guys. So please, again, when you're running fast or short and you need something customized, please, guys, please check us out. Again, www.successfulwearclothingllc.com, or follow us on YouTube. Watch our as we upload our new merchandise that will be going on our website. It is Successful Wear LLC right here on this platform. Hit the subscribe button. Successful Wear LLC on YouTube, guys. And once again, happy Monday. My name is Alyssa Costin, and if you're interested in starting your own business, guys, my main thing is to make sure that you are knowing what you want to do for your business. Make sure you have your mind set and you have the time, patience, mind, and money to invest in your future and in your own small business, guys, and be ready for tax issues or not. Be ready to pay taxes, guys. These are the things needed. Tax paying, time, money, efficiency, and diligence is another one. You must do those if you want to run a productive small business that stays afloat and continues to go on no matter what's going on. You cannot rush things. You have to know what you want. You have to take your time, and you will take a loss in your first year. It's a fact. No matter what the scenario is, you're new to the game, you're new to the business, be prepared if you're running a first-time small business to take a loss. Don't let anybody tell you anything otherwise, and that's okay. It happens. But also make sure, family, anybody, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button on this channel, Successful Wear LLC. Make sure that you pay your taxes when you register your business. Make sure you stay up on your whatever fees or whatever you have to pay as a small business registered in your state. Registered. Make sure that you stay up on all tax paperwork. Stay up on all, things needed to successfully run your business. And take things serious in your business. Be efficient in your business. Provide the best customer service to all customers. Like you learned in your first job, the customer's always right. In a small business and running your small business or whatever it is, the customer is always right as well. So please, guys, Watch out and pay attention to your customers. Fulfill all orders on time. Try not to make your customers dissatisfied. You want to satisfy your customers to the best of your knowledge. You want to be efficient. You want to be as less complaints as possible, guys. Small business is starting to take over, guys. We're beginning to run the world. Call it what you want. Call it being closed in at COVID. Call it shutdown. Call it what you want to. But a lot of people have changed their lives and become small business of their own owners, working for themselves. So shout out to you guys. Mwah. Happy small business. Happy making your own business, guys, and making your own money, doing what you do and telling yourself and your employees what to do. No longer working for somebody else. Run your own business, run your own life, make your own money. Happy Monday, guys. This is a video. My name is Alyssa Costin. Again, check us out, www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. And you can also find my family. My family also has a YouTube channel on YouTube, and it's Costin Family Funhouse on YouTube, guys. So go over there and subscribe to that channel too. But this channel is Successful Wear LLC, dedicated and exclusively to small black business and small black business owners and all small black businesses or all small businesses, e-commerce, online business. Happy Monday. Love you guys. Bye.